Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store and type iOS Launcher. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click while using the app and tap on Allow. Tap Home button, select iOS Launcher and pick Always. Lastly, click OK and got it. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!